Let's look at the sequestration of classes in the future. So, the most important things, skills and knowledge. We have experts, engineers that know how to construct things, how to construct factories, how to go into DevOps, how to automate the factories, how to program machine languages, technology, science, all that. That's the top tier. Then we have the maintenance, administrators, or all the little cogs in the game. And the foundation, the broadest foundation is users. So those who are controlled by technology and have no fucking idea how it works, but it backfeeds into what they think they know. Then we have the political classes, the elites, the power holders, the holders of great resources. So, artificial intelligence in post-capitalist or late capitalism world. Well, we know how capitalism worked on value, how it replaces value, commodifies it, and gives back something more shitty. It gives back feces, replacing it with surrogates. What happens in a late capitalistic society when you introduce artificial intelligence that renders learning languages, acquiring knowledge and skills quite useless? Because you can translate everything, you can say all the shit you want. And I worked as a quality analyst in artificial intelligence, a random job, and you can see that illiterate idiots that cannot construct a single sentence properly with all the spelling errors, with the syntax errors, are getting a nice little reply that is designed for idiots. What does happen next? Well, societies by and large are already illiterate. It is reintroducing illiteracy. They can read, but they can't understand. They don't read books at all. They absorb mass media and all that. Now, what happens if you introduce artificial intelligence to do it for you? You are deepening the illiteracy levels. So, what I simply wanted to convey is that it's a perfect rule of controlling the masses. Perfect. Because the elites, or those who have their brains in the right place, that know that their kids should go to private education, private schooling, to excel, to know how to train these castes of engineers, specialists, experts, scientists, entrepreneurs, will do it. Well, hooray for artificial intelligence. Deepen the stupidity of the masses. Well, work on this project. Brainiacs work on developing algorithms. Fat, thick, linguistical algorithms. And sooner or later, what will happen? Will the artificial intelligence take over the world? No. The idiocy levels, the illiteracy levels will deepen. And it will render people useless in face of any catastrophe, any social damage to the fabric of a whole. If a catastrophe happens, like a random pulse from the sun, a storm that will wipe out technology, you will have swathes, lots of morons, deprived of tech, deprived of the swipe cards, all that shit, and they'll go like zombies because there's no returning to the primitive stage of humanity. As Ernst Jünger once said, as one study in the archaeological study of the collapse of complex societies have demonstrated. So what happens if you take modern people, take away the tech toys, the social network, all the services, the hospitals, police, electronics, Internet of Things, all that shit. What happens? They don't know what to do. And it was demonstrated in 1980s, also during Hurricane Katrina. What fucking happens? Police starts to go insane and shoot and fucking take whatever they can loot. People go wild, looting everything they can, like during the COVID times, buying out toilet paper and all that, as if fucking shitting would require toilet paper. You can't wash your fucking ass in such a circumstance if you don't have toilet paper, right? Or you can go into the woods and use it as a little insane primitive. Just an example, for fuck's sake. These societies are depriving themselves of true capital, of skills and knowledge and wisdom and arete, how to do things. Do I give a flying fuck? No, I'm just observing it. Call me a modern day ludist. Oh, the artificial intelligence will take away our jobs. Maybe it will, maybe it won't. But definitely, idiocy, illiteracy, cretinism will spread. The concentration of a shrimp. The knowledge of a amoeba. A spine of a fucking worm. Well, come on. Well, take my word seriously and let's see what happens. I'm observing. Maybe not in my lifetime, maybe in my lifetime. The Z generation and the next generation shall see what they shall see. Good luck. You're fucked.